Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a Halloween themed collab hosted by Donna from It's Up by Donna. Do check out her channel and huge thanks to Donna for organizing this event. It's not easy coordinating one, especially on a large scale. After me is the morning poll Art with Holly. Stay tuned and join us for the rest of the event and check out all the amazing artworks by everyone else. Halloween is usually a tough theme for me to paint because I refuse to be cute. But I also lack the talent for drawing details for realism required for dark artworks. To add to my predicament, I failed to execute my first plan and forgot to press record for the second and third attempt, so I ended up painting on a piece of cardboard. But hey, the world is your canvas, right? I actually kind of like how this turned out, because fourth time's a charm, isn't it? I always thought I'd be a crazy cat lady when I grow old, so perhaps this is a little premonition of the future. Quirky and very chaotic. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this painting. Don't forget to check out all the other channels and the links below. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze as horror looks you like between the eyes. You're paralyzed. Goodness is scary.
The soul for getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell.